North Wales is developing into a unique tourist centre, and at the heart of the North Wales coast is the borough of Conwy, where dramatic new horizons of coast and country combine to give all visitors the ideal centre for activity holidays. The dinosaur world provides a unique diversion. From the town's railway station, a regular free minibus service takes visitors up to the famous Welsh Mountain Zoo, where, as well as seeing the usual zoo favourites, there are many other exotic animals and birds to discover in interesting surroundings.
Llandudno is the gateway to Snowdonia, for it lies on a peninsula with sea on 3 sides, right on the border of the national park. There is lots to do. You can play bowls or golf, but most people prefer the old Great Orme Railway. Opened in Edwardian days, it retains the timeless excitement which somehow is still a part of the atmosphere of Llandudno. It was Llandudno which gave Lewis Carroll the time and inspiration to write Alice in Wonderland, and in many ways the town is still dedicated to children and their needs. Conwy also boasts the smallest dwelling in the country. Llandudno is suitable for a holiday at any time of the year, for there is always so much going on.
Queen of the Welsh resorts, the Naples of the North are just 2 of the complimentary titles given to Llandudno, and as soon as you arrive you cannot fail to understand why it quite simply has everything to offer the visitor. If it is a quick snack you fancy, the hotel bars and pubs provide super light lunches. The annual regatta at nearby Conwy provides fun for all the family, on land as well as at sea. Llanrwst is the bustling market town of the Conwy Valley. A short walk away at Gwdir Castle, a Tudor country residence, you can enjoy the company of strutting peacocks. If it's 2 wheels you're after, the milk race pays Llandudno regular visits. Llandudno is situated close to the main line rail station, and with recent improvements to the incoming roads, there's only one problem left. When can you come?